Hi everyone. We act quickly. Performance is the order of the day again. The diggers are now also trusted to do this, and the club stylers always have been. Last season was a hot one. The bagger races had also arrived in Germany and made the rounds on 3 racetracks. A new trend also emerged: club style. The transitions between the bagger style and the club style are fluid, and we'll explain the differences in a moment. They both have one thing in common: performance. Club style is said to have been invented by rockers. That's why it's called club style. Instead of long forked choppers, the clubs needed fast bikes in order to ride off the increasing number of chapters and, above all, to get away from the cops chasing them. That's why a club style bike is not only fast, but can also corner. Recently, the baggers have been able to do both, since they have also been driven through races. Club stylers have always been able to do this, and one of their characteristics is performance. Let's get down to business. Our Pro Performance ST Club Styler presented at the Custom Bike Show is inspired by the bagger races. If color could make you fast, it would probably be this one. Our thanks once again go to Ingo Cruz from Cruz Design, our in-house painter, who has implemented the racing theme so aptly. However, the Pro Performance ST is all the more a real club styler. A racing bagger would still have crash bars, i.e. trimmed crash bars. That's only for the racetrack. An old-school bagger would also have a huge front wheel and an ape hanger. Our Pro Performance ST doesn't have that. We make do with a 21-inch new digger front wheel, still bigger than the 19-inch original, and of course from our own factory. Club in control, the new handlebars. Instead of an ape hanger, we have a brand new club-style handlebar, which is also called club. The club is butted, making it narrower at the grips and therefore lighter. The production with simultaneous cranking is quite complicated, but we can do it. It has only a slight offset and sits on 9-inch risers, which are hollow so that cables can be routed through them, and to save weight. All this makes our bike more maneuverable. Pro Performance at the fork end. And just before the bend, you can go for it. We have given the fork larger feet so that it can accommodate the huge 340mm diameter brake discs, and the brake calipers can grip them better. This is performance that we are proud of. That's why we want you to see it clearly. New 2-piece swing arm. Hidden under the panniers is our new Pro Performance swing arm, milled from solid material and lighter than the original. This swing arm also has a newly arranged brake caliper mount. Even with panniers, you can see them clearly because they are mounted underneath the swing arm. We have nothing to be ashamed of when it comes to performance. And after one look at it at the latest, the connoisseur knows that this club styler has a Thunderbike swing arm. Another highlight for connoisseurs who also take a look behind the scenes. The Pro Performance triple clamp should not be hidden away either. It also comes from us, is also milled from solid material and therefore lighter. But okay, it doesn't catch the eye under the huge fairing. At least you have something to talk about, because to make the talk among your buddies exciting, you always have to reveal something that doesn't immediately catch the eye. However, the buddies will probably figure out for themselves that something has been done to the fork. At the latest, when they see the DLC coated sliding tubes close to the fork legs. DLC stands for diamond-like carbon and is currently the highest quality coating to achieve perfect gliding and response behavior. Thanks for watching.